Hello friends, welcome to Shell's Topsy Turvy Recipes. I hope you all are well, fit and fine. Come on, today I'm going to make simple mutton curry. I hope you all will like it. If you are new to my channel, please like, subscribe, share, comment. So come on, let us start the recipe. Friends, I have taken mutton over here. You can see this is 1 kilo 300 grams mutton over here. I have washed it and kept it. I have taken onions. This also I am going to fry it. I have taken bay leaves. You can see the bay leaves. Some jeera and dry chilies. This also I will use for the mutton curry. So come on, let us start. I will show you how I am going to make the simple mutton curry. Put some mustard oil. Friends, the oil is gone hot. Put in the bay leaves and put in the jeera and the red dry chilies. Put in the cut up onions. Let the onions fry. For the masalas, I will use, this is jeera, black pepper, ginger and garlic. All this I will grind and make it into a paste. Onions are turned brown. Put in the salt to taste. Put in the mutton also. Let the mutton fry along with the onions. Now I will cover this up and let the mutton fry with the onions, because the mutton also will leave lot of water now. So I will let the water dry and let it fry also. Friends, you can see how much water is coming out. This water will dry. Friends, the water is gone dry. You can see now all the oil is coming out. You can see the oil on top here. Now I will put in the masalas. This is that masala paste which I have made. Ginger, garlic, black pepper and jeera. So I have put the masala. Now I will put in some turmeric powder, some red chili powder, put in the garam masala powder, put in the meat masala powder, and I will fry the masalas along with the mutton. Friends, you can see the masala is frying with the mutton. You can see I have fried up the masala very nicely, and the mutton also is cooked up, half cooked. Now the other half I'll put water, and then the mutton will cook nice and tender. Now I will add some water. I have chopped up 2 big tomatoes. This also I will put in. Now cover the mutton curry and let it cook. Friends, you can see the mutton cooking, how nice it's looking, very appetizing. My simple mutton curry is ready. I hope you all will like it. The meat also is cooked tender. You can see it's cooked up tender. And it will be very tasty and delicious to eat. Thank you for watching my video.